Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. I'm at Caesars Hotel and Casino. Gonna check into the Ocean Tower. I never stayed at the Ocean Tower, been to the Centurion, been to the Forum, never the Ocean. So come along with me, I'll do a room tour of the Ocean Tower here at Caesars Hotel and Casino in beautiful Atlantic City. If a lot of this looks new or unfamiliar to you, that's because, well, it's new and unfamiliar. Caesars has been spending pretty much the last 9 months renovating the entire front of the hotel, which is where we are right now, and a lot of rooms in the towers as well. All these renovations you can see on a separate video called The New Caesars in Atlantic City here on the New York channel. Looks like for the most part the construction is finally complete. They've been working on this place all winter long and it's looking really good. Everything is new and shiny. The floors look fantastic. I'm going to do a separate video of Caesars while I'm here either tonight or tomorrow morning and show you guys what improvements have been made here, but it's looking really good. But for this video, let's head upstairs and see what this Ocean Tower room looks like, all right? This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Caesars would have you think I'm on the 77th floor, which is impossible. The tallest building in New Jersey is actually 79 stories high. It's in Jersey City, New Jersey, way up north. Even the Ocean Casino Resort is only 57 stories, so nowhere near 77 stories. You can't fool me, Caesars. It looks like something's missing here, like there should be a vanity or something here. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And remember, click on the thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. Remember, the room is comped. The room is awesome. The view, not so much. But who am I to complain? I got a free room. So all in all, a pretty nice room. Again, this is the Ocean Tower. Looks pretty much like the Centurion Tower rooms. Same kind of, the laminate floor with the little rug under the bed, and same kind of furniture and everything. So it looks pretty much like the Centurion Tower rooms as well, and Caesars has sunk a lot of money into these rooms, so they did a good job. The rooms are looking really nice. I was at the Forum Tower about a month and a half ago. Not so nice. They didn't sink too much money into those rooms. You can check that video out here on the New York channel. Anyway, happy for the room. It looks comfortable, looks safe. You need a key to get into the elevator. And I'm pretty happy with what I got here. It's a comped room. View's not that great, but what do you want? Gonna do some editing now and then head downstairs and do a slot pull soon. So stay tuned for that here on the New York channel. Thanks for watching, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.